Every acharya will say, Gaudiya Math, this particular acharya said so many times, I heard directly from him. He said, chant japa and think of lila. Just start. You spend 10, 15 minutes, you read some small lila. 6 a.m., pratak lila, or whatever. And you think. And then, now this is called smaran, remembering what you heard. Well, now you speak for 5 minutes in Hindi. Come on, man. I wrote an article, and then this is quoting from BBT Folio. You've heard of BBT, no? BBT Folio, they have a collection of all Prabhupada, Srila Prabhupada, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Prabhupada, all his letters, transcription of his letters, audio, everything, all his sub-vacha, sub-shiksha. So there's a letter, 1968, to Hayagriva. No, there's one to, I think, to Tamal Krishna Maharaj or Hayagriva. Long ago, 51 years ago. 51 years ago. The devotee writes a question. Prabhupada, when I'm chanting Hare Krishna, sometimes I'm thinking of Krishna's lilas. But some other devotees, they tell me, no, this is just you chanting, you hear the holy name. 1968, 51 years ago, this song was being sung. And it's still being sung. It's a top hit. 51 years old. Only hear the name, chant. So the devotee writes, Prabhupada, when I chant, sometimes I'm thinking of some pastime of Krishna. But the devotees are saying, oh, you're bogus. So Prabhupada writes back, it's there, it's probably in that book also. So Prabhupada says, oh, this is very good what you're doing. This is the meaning of chanting. You must come to the point where you're chanting Hare Krishna and thinking of Krishna's lilas. So Prabhupada is endorsing it, he's encouraging it. He's saying, yes, very good, very good. Japa and lila mix karke. Very good.